In this tutorial, we will tackle the hip abductors, so you will need to use the K-push in order to do this. Select in the app the evaluation and the activity thanks to the filter. Start the K-push and configure it. First, we will start with the left hip. Here, we will do a single repetition. Put the tablet down to have both of your hands free. The K-push is now connected. You will need both of your hands to stabilize your patient, so you may use the K-button function to start the test remotely. Let's get started. Place yourself. Go. Ask your patient to push. And release once over. Go on the other side. Put the K-push just above the external malleolus. Wait for the countdown. Go. Again, ask your patient to push. And release once over. Now the tracking record appears automatically and shows you the maximal strength demonstrated by your patient both on his left and right sides, the deficit, and all the other data you may find useful to work with your patient.